Now first let us understand what is the meaning of the word Parcheesi. Parcheesi is a game similar like Ludo's, but there are only certain exceptions with certain rules. Now what is the first rule? Is that in the case of a Ludo we throw a die, but in this case we toss a coin. If head is thrown, then you have to either head comes up, then you have to move your counter 2 places, and if tail comes up, then you have to move your counter 1 place, or you can keep your counter where it is. That is the first rule. Now we are analyzing a simplified Parcheesi. What it is, that only we are looking at the 6 end boxes or the positions that we can have, so that you have to reach 3 places to win the game. Just as I said, that there are 8 positions now which you all can see, and they are marked independently. Now what are these 8 positions? That when the white's turn comes in a simplified Parcheesi, the white can either occupy this position, or either this position, or this position. But simultaneously, the black can either occupy this position, or this position, or either it can be here. So based on all these independent positions, we have 8 positions. Now if you see position 1 and position 2, they are assigned probability 1. I am just giving you all pointers. You all can just read the description to understand better. Now they are marked with probability 1. What it means, that when a chance comes and when the white counter is here, whatever you throw, whether it is head or a tail that comes up, you have to either move your counter ahead. And the last rule has an exception that I forgot to mention. That was either when tail comes or head comes, you can, and if you are in a winning position, then you can move your counter 1 step. So it is clear, when it is his turn, he will win from that position. So that is why it is given probability 1. Black cannot move, or he cannot win from this position, because by that time white has already moved. This is now white's turn. And then other positions are given as probabilities. They are assigned some probabilities which we need to find in the course of time. So these are the 8 positions. Now please see the first 8 position when it was white's turn. Now see the position 9 and position 1. See the position 2 and position 10. These are called analogous positions. What I mean to say by that, where the black is placed, in that position 1, the white was placed. And in position 9, the black is placed at the same position. And where the white is placed, in the first position, the black was placed. So these are called analogous positions. Now there is first logic involved here. When 2 players are playing, and the probability that player 1 is winning is 100%, then the probability that the player 2 will win is 0%. That means he will definitely lose. That is why position 9 and position 10 is given probability 0. Remember, in position 1 and position 2, the probability of winning was 1. So here the probability of winning is 0. These are analogous positions. Similarly, we had assigned probabilities A, B, C, D, E, F. So, by the rule of probability, the probabilities of winning here will be 1 minus A, 1 minus B, 1 minus C, 1 minus D, 1 minus E, and 1 minus F.